So today me and Tiffany were going to do that chicken sandwich review of, Popeye's chicken sandwich. And I was just thinking like, oh, that's boring. Like everybody's doing that, right? Everybody's doing that. I haven't told Tiffany this, but I decided it'd be a lot more fun if we did like a blindfold chicken sandwich test, not just 2 chicken sandwiches, but 4 chicken sandwiches. So I hope she's hungry. I hope she's hungry today. So I don't really know all the chicken sandwiches out there. Obviously there is the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. Hold on, I like this song. You know who you are out there who got me caught on this song? Continue. She has no idea. She thinks we're gonna do, the review of the Popeye's chicken sandwich and versus the Chick-fil-A sandwich. I think she thought I was gonna get like 2 sandwiches or whatever and then try them both and we would both do it on camera. But no, we are gonna blindfold her and we're going to have her try 4 chicken sandwiches. Yes, Chick-fil-A is one of them. Yes, Popeye's is another. And then there are 2 other ones that I thought that were kind of like similar looking. It'd be really funny. It'd be really funny if I like slipped in a McRib or something, or like a fish fillet or whatever those sandwiches are. I mean, she's blindfolded, she's gonna eat it. I won't do the fish fillet. Right. Bad drivers are out. Yo. This is Juicy featuring Tiger. Juicy. I feel like everybody. No, never. Never clear. What the heck? What's going on here? This intersection right here. This intersection right here. Terrible. Lose control. Can you guys move up a little bit? Can you move up just like a little bit? Like a little bit. Oh my god. I'm hungry. Come on, guys. Are we just not moving? Or what? I know. I have road rage. I try. I'm working on it. Goodness, finally. Goodness. Don't they know? It's lunchtime. Chicken sandwiches? Do they still have chicken sandwiches? We are in the line right now, in the drive-through line, because don't nobody want to get out of their car and go inside. I'm still in line. Oh shoot. I just got a text message. Tiffany is there. I haven't even gotten the first sandwich yet. Because she went to go pick up the Chick-fil-A sandwich, and I was going to go pick up the Popeye's one since it was down the street. That Chick-fil-A sandwich is not going to be great by the time I get there. Should I stop at Chick-fil-A too? Get a fresh sandwich? Oh, here we go. Let's order. I guess everybody still wants this chicken sandwich. There's like a line just wrapped around behind me. It's still a thing. We're still gonna make her eat 4 chicken sandwiches though. I know exactly what I have to do. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's why. The person in front of me ordered for like 20. Two more places to go. Two more places to go. Thank you. Oh, you're nice. You are nice. You know, who gives the wave anymore? Thank you. I do. We don't want that Chick-fil-A sandwich getting soggy. She might have ate it. She's hungry. I know it. What's the sandwich here? It's like crispy something. We'll see. No lettuce, no tomato, because we gotta make it similar. Do I hide this chicken sandwich over here? People gonna think I'm crazy. Crazy or super hungry or something. Oh wait. Maybe looking like I'm hoarding chicken sandwiches, like I can't decide. Is it a crispy kernel sandwich or something? Are they open? We'll see. Nobody was in line for that. All right, I got all the sandwiches except for Chick-fil-A, and that one's gonna be soggy, I'm sure, because she's been waiting for me. Oops, sorry.
I was afraid. I was like, she's gonna be stuck in that freaking line for
I was like, this
30 minutes at least.
This girl eating breakfast. I was about to text you and be like, ooh, you eat those fries, girl. So, twist. We are gonna blindfold you.
Oh my god.
And we are going to try a few chicken sandwiches, and you're gonna do a blindfold test.
Okay.
And we're gonna cut them. You're so willing because you're so hungry right now.
Yeah, I'm like, whatever. But I don't even want you to see what this looks like though, because I don't want you to like even know. You know what I mean? So you'll probably put the blindfold on after you do that. Okay. Because then I gotta cut the other ones. Okay.
Did you buy this or did you have this?
I bought it.
Oh my god. You're so extra.
Okay, hold on. It's already recording.
Oh my gosh!
Girl, I know you have to sit here and sniff this.
Yeah.
But can I go run and get my water real quick?
Yeah.
And you won't peek? No, I won't peek. Okay.
It's recording.
If you peek, it's recording.
It's recording.
See you. Where is my drink? Am I close? Oh, I just put my hand on the sandwich. I'm thirsty. I guess she moved it. Darn. Yeah, this pretty much is torture. I have not had breakfast. Where is my drink at? Oh, it's right here. I was like, I'm feeling for it.
It's right here. Thank you.
Do you want anyway? Okay. So we're gonna do this chicken sandwich review ranking, Tiffany's ranking of the chicken sandwiches of these 4 spots, which we will reveal what it is later. Okay, so let's just start from your, I'm just gonna put this right here in front right now.
I was feeling for a drink and I hit this. I was like, oop, that's a sandwich.
Okay, so it's right here. So go ahead and take a bite.
It feels like a little small.
Well,
well,
for yeah, it feels like a snack. So
looking like a snack.
but it is the bread is soft, so and it smells really good. So I'm just gonna take a bite.
Okay. Make sure you get some chicken in there. First thought. After you chew. Fries are really hard to eat after they've gone cold.
I know.
My bad.
Okay. Very crunchy.
Okay.
It's got some kind of sauce on it, which I like. It reminds me kind of the Chick-fil-A sauce, but not the Chick-fil-A sauce, obviously.
You don't know?
Well, I mean, I don't know, but it's the bread is, I mean, the chicken's juicy. It's good.
Good.
Yeah,
That's your first
it's
one.
good.
All right. So, yep, set it right.
Okay.
She can't see.
I can't see anything.
All right. So, the other one's right here in front of you.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. This is a little bigger than the last one.
Okay.
This feels like a bigger sandwich. Had it been whole, this would probably fill me up instead of asking for two at the last one. But okay, well, I'm gonna take a bite.
I wish you could see me with you have a blindfold on, like I'm so hungry, but I'm staring at you.
Yeah.
So first bite, first thought, chew it down, don't choke.
The bread's chewy.
Okay. Like good chewy or bad chewy? Is chewy good?
No.
Okay.
I don't prefer it. I prefer it more soft and moist. This one, it kind of doesn't taste stale, but it's chewy. More like a tortilla type instead of like a bread.
Okay.
The chicken didn't wow me. It was a little, I don't want to say soggy, but it wasn't as crunchy. The whatever's on it is good, but it's something that I feel like I could make at home.
Okay.
The breading wasn't as crispy, so but it was good.
Okay. So was that better or worse than the last one you ate?
I like the first one better.
I like the first one better. Okay. All right. Getting somewhere.
Have a piece of hair.
All right, so the next one is right in front of you. Okay. You're like, okay.
I'm like, I want more. Okay.
You will.
The bread is soft.
Okay.
It's pretty good size. Kind of reminds me of the size of the first one. Which, side note, kind of like with my burgers, I don't like a big piece of meat, and then like the dressings and the lettuce and tomato, whatever's on it is like you can barely tell because there's so much meat in it.
Oh yeah.
So I kind of like
everything
a flatter.
Right.
Okay, I'm about to take another bite. I already know what
Well, okay, just tell me.
I taste the pickle right away.
Right. How does it make you feel?
It makes me feel happy. The bread is good. It's soft. It's not real chewy. And it's sturdy. I hate when my bread just kind of, when it's so soft, it kind of melts into the meat or the chicken. Yeah, it's real soggy. The seasoning of the chicken is da bomb. And the breading, I don't know. It's the seasoning, but I know exactly which one this is without even just the seasoning of the chicken.
So think about where that sits. Is this better than the last one that you just ate?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
but I would have to taste the first one again.
Okay. Well, so we could do that. You want to do that right now?
See, yeah.
Okay. So you know the taste right now that you just ate.
Yes.
Okay. Here it is.
Okay. Okay.
I have the plate ready.
It's pretty good. That I had a pickle with it.
Okay.
The bread tastes a little bit different. Like it's a little bit sweeter, I think. I like that one a little bit because it's a little bit crunchier.
So you'd probably put that one still at the top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do that. That just blow your mind.
But yeah, because I have no idea what it is.
Yeah.
So,
okay. So we have one more
okay.
in front of you here.
Yes. Somebody's
There you
texting
go.
me. Okay. This is a good portion size for half. I can smell this from right here, so it smells really good.
Okay. Let's try it. I was just sniffing it too.
Mmm. Mmm.
Oh.
Oh man.
Oh, hallelujah.
Mmm. That's my favorite.
I'm gonna take a bite too.
Oh my gosh.
Like the best out of the four.
Mm-hmm.
I was hungry watching you eat.
I don't know if it's because the sauce is definitely different. I don't. It kind of tastes like honey mustard, but I don't know. Just a combination of everything is delicious.
So that would be your number one.
Yes.
Don't feel bad about it.
Yeah. I'm really giving it some good thought.
Okay.
And trying to forget the fact that I'm starving. They're all pretty good.
Yeah.
I think this is.
Yeah, girl, you get it. Just get it. You know, you just wanted to take another bite.
That sauce makes it delicious. I like the crispiness of the first one I had. But this sauce makes this. This sauce is my favorite.
Okay.
Whatever's on it.
Okay. Okay, girl.
Yeah.
So
I'm like really, I'm excited to see what it
you
is.
can take off that blindfold. Okay.
Oh man.
Okay, so you want to start with the number 4?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is going to be the 4th one. This is the one that she ranked last. Okay, so let's reveal that. This one was Popeyes.
Really?
So you ranked Popeyes as last in your list of a blindfold taste test. Does that surprise you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. So,
because I mean, people are getting killed over it. So
yeah, right?
yeah, that's crazy.
So the 3rd one,
Okay.
it's probably gonna break your heart. Chick-fil-A. She ranked Chick-fil-A 3rd. And everybody, all you people out there are trying to compare, Popeyes to Chick-fil-A. You guys gotta venture out.
Yeah.
So this is interesting. So number 2. So number 2 you thought was actually pretty good. And okay. I've never had this one before.
Oh yeah.
So really? KFC, guys. So I got her this crispy chicken from KFC. And she thought it was pretty good.
Yeah, it was pretty good because I really don't like KFC's chicken, so to speak. I mean, wow, that surprises me. It was really good. That was good.
So that number 1 that just blew you away.
I knew it.
And I know it is Whataburger.
I knew it.
She always talks about Whataburger. What was it, like 2 months ago? I was just like, I never had a Whataburger. She said,
I could not believe this girl had never had Whataburger in her life.
never. Well, I'm not from Texas. So
Yeah,
but
that's
we
true.
didn't have it. But so there you have it. This is Tiffany's blindfold taste test. I'm so glad that we kind of put a twist to it. But
Yes.
she ranked number 1, Whataburger.
Whataburger.
Number 2, KFC. Would you go back and grab that again?
I would.
Okay.
I actually would.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then Chick-fil-A, number 3, and then the all famous people been dying over it and
Waiting in line for
beating
hours
each
and a
other up
half.
for it. Chicken sandwich from Popeyes.
Number 4.
Last.
They're all good. I mean, don't get me wrong. They're all
Yeah, there's
good.
a lot of chicken sandwiches out
Yeah.
there. So, but that she ranked last.
I would still go and get every single one of those.
Good.
So
Very good. Cool. Well, there you have it. See, this blindfold test was kind of fun.
It
right?
was. It was.
So,
next time it's you that will be
So
blindfolded.
I have problems. So it'll be interesting if you blindfold me. So we'll see what
Funny.
happens. I'll probably freak out. You'll see
Yeah.
it.
I mean, I don't
It's
mind either.
it's a little embarrassing on
As
my
long
part.
as-
Anyway, if you guys are watching and you enjoyed this and thought it was as cool as we did, because we think everything's we're pretty easily amused.
Yeah.
But let us know and like comment and like let us know what else we need to blindfold test and try.
Yeah. What should we taste next?
Yes.
Like, what should like?
Yeah.
I don't
What's
know.
next? What's out there?
I don't know, like tacos, burgers. I feel like that's a
What
lot
else?
of people
Like
do
fries?
that.
Even like fries. I don't know.
Fries, that's a good
I'm
one.
obsessed with potatoes. But yeah, just comment below. Tell us if you like this. Give us a thumbs up. But thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
We're gonna eat.